See if she still runs.
What?
See if she still runs. Alright, turn it off. Alright, I guess we need to plug that. That's not gonna work. Damn, that was like straight off the water pump or something. Yeah,
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's coming off a water pump.
Geysered out of there. Marley. Hey, that's enough.
Well, it starts.
Okay, yep, that's a good good beginning. Fill it back up. All right, let's do it. Round 2. Any water in the piping? I don't think so. It's pretty dry. I'll go ahead and put that coupler and stuff back on. Alright, so letting the car cool down a little bit, putting in some gauges. Margo got some gauge pods, putting them in there, relocating the wideband next to it, changed the gauge face on it. This thing's gonna be ripping in no time. Sweet, so we got some gauges now, huh?
Yeah. Now, wiring up the ground for the boost gauge so I can have a light.
You don't want to use your flashlight?
So I don't have to use my flashlight.
That's so funny. Sweet. Actually, those pods turned out pretty good.
They're okay.
They're okay. Alright, before we pop the wheels off, why don't you show the people why we're replacing calipers? Actually, I think that's better than what it was.
Yeah, that first time we tried to turn them, it was hard to spin them.
Yeah. Well, that's a lot better than what it was, but yeah, the other night when we drove it, oh my god. It was just dragging like crazy. Yeah, see, that one's super stuck. Oh my gosh.
That one worse?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
Jeez. So obviously the proper fix is to get some junkyard calipers.
That's the only way to go. You know, I actually was thinking if I should come here first before going to the junkyard and seeing if it was just the slide pins.
Oh yeah.
Or if we can free those up.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently we could.
Yeah, apparently. So what we didn't video is the thread on here is coarse, but on the factory it's fine thread. So I don't know, was this off a GT or something? What?
No, that was off of a 2003.
Oh, okay, so everything's the same except that. So we're barely able to push those pistons back in. I think we're just gonna toss these back on and see what happens. Yeah, so I guess we'll do the same thing the other side.
Let's hope those go back in.
I know. To be determined. Well, no success on the junkyard calipers. We need to get the bleeders, and these ones, you hit the brake pedal and they the cups push back in, but they won't retract, and so there's still a lot of tension on the wheel and they're still kind of seized up. So we need to find some calipers or caliper bleeders, and then maybe we'll swap in the non-seized junkyard calipers and go from there. So brakes were a bust today, but got it running. Here we go again, another test drive. Pull her out and see if we can make some boost. It drives so much better than it did that first time where it was just like bucking. Oh my gosh.
Left or right?
We'll go left. Here, ready? Is it hitting any boost? I couldn't tell.
I was looking at the AFR.
Oh, okay. And go right. Oh, you can only go right, so. Dang, you got all the pops. Holy crap, that thing, man. Oh, yeah. Hit it again. Dang. Dude, what the heck? It goes to like perfect AFRs. That's crazy. Dang. Wow, that's impressive.
I was scared one of the clamps was gonna pop off again.
Yeah.
And leave us stranded.
Yeah,
Should I look
yeah,
back?
just keep going straight.
Let's keep going straight.
Yeah.
I bet it would feel much more different if calipers weren't seized.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right, you guys. Calipers are still seized.
impressive for a budget build.
For a hacked together ultra budget. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Wow. Dude, I'm impressed. It feels pretty good on 5 pounds and sees calipers. Yeah, dude, he's gonna do a pull. Oh, hit it.
Do it?
Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, yeah, that's so funny.
I'm surprised the console loved that.
I know. Oh man, that's funny. Wow, I can't tell if that's clutch or the seized brakes that are making the kind of the smell. You smell it? Like hot brake pads or something. You smell it?
That was you saw it.
Man, that was a good one. Alright, so the only casualty after the first pull is this boost line popped off. So far we're doing okay. Good stuff. Man.
Only registers 10 pounds.
Vacuum?
Huh?
10 pounds vacuum?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's probably because that hose is collapsing.
I'm not hearing Roger drinks.
That'll be alright. I don't know if you guys can see that.
With the light or without?
Oh yeah, right there. All this right here. That's all these calipers.
Because they won't.
Those things are stuck and they are hot. Also, there's a weird noise we're chasing down. Also, that piece of the power steering line was previously sitting on the manifold, which I zip tied back, but I think it was too late. So now that's leaking. Sweet. And then if you listen very closely, it sounds like coolant or oil is like in there bubbling. It's so hot. Yeah, see, like, I don't know what that fluid is. What this fluid is.
Oh man.
Is that?
This one's even worse.
Oh my, are you serious? Oh my god.
It's that bad.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That's the only reason that Infinity had a chance.
Pretty much.
Oh, and the wastegate. What the? Look at. That's what the noise was that fell. the wastegate nut. Look at
What?
the
Oh,
gasket
shit.
blew out. God, I knew those gaskets were shit. Yeah, it blew the gasket out, and the friggin' gasket's all cracked. Dang. Okay, so we need to buy some crush gaskets for the wastegate. Assess the damage of the first test drive and street race.
You're hitting too much boost. This popped off. Wastegate popped off.
Power steering line blew. Oh my god. Alright. That was a good run. Now we need some TLC. Some junkyard runs. I think the radiator isn't leaking or anything. God dang, that's what that noise was, man. I thought that was a caliper bolt that came off. That literally just nut backed off and bam.
Now we know what we're heating.
Yeah, the temperature was good.
Other than those,
Those 6 things.
it's not doing too bad.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess the saga continues. We need the calipers. We need to fix the wastegate. Get a power steering line. New boost line for sure, because that thing is just collapsing. And should be golden.
All that put together, those Infinity Boys can race us again.
Maybe we'll turn up the boost to 8. God dang.
We'll see who's laughing.
Oh man. Alright, I think that's gonna do it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.